Hello, and welcome to FX Gates Education. This course is for the newbies in Forex trading. We have made this video to help those who are interested in trading Forex, but know nothing about it, and want to learn from scratch. FX Gates is here to walk you through. If you have not subscribed to our channel, please subscribe, so that you don't miss the upcoming videos. Please subscribe, like and share it with your friends. Your comments is also welcome, so that we can bring you what you want. After this video, you are going to know 1. What is Forex? 2. How you are going to trade Forex. 3. When you can trade. 4. 4 steps to making your first trade in Forex. And more. Now let's jump into action on the basics of Forex. What is Forex? Forex, also known as foreign exchange, FX or currency trading, is a decentralized global market where all the world's currencies trade. The Forex market is the largest, most liquid market in the world, with an average daily trading volume exceeding $5 trillion. It is the means by which individuals, companies and central banks convert one currency into another. If you have ever traveled abroad, then it is likely you have made a Forex transaction. All the world's combined stock markets don't even come close to this. But what does that mean to you? Take a closer look at Forex trading, and you may find some exciting trading opportunities unavailable with other investments. Forex is traded 24 hours a day, 5 days a week across by banks, institutions and individual traders worldwide. Unlike other financial markets, there is no centralized marketplace for Forex. Currencies trade over the counter in whatever market is open at that time. While a lot of foreign exchange is done for practical purposes, the vast majority of currency conversion is undertaken with the aim of earning a profit. The next lesson, we will look at how you can trade Forex. How do we trade Forex? The 4 steps to making your first trade in Forex. Now that you know a little more about Forex, we'll take a closer look at how to make your first trade. Before you trade, you need to follow a few steps. These are the 4 steps to making your first trade in Forex. 1. Select a currency pair. When trading Forex, you are exchanging the value of one currency for another. In other words, you will always buy one currency while selling another at the same time. Because of this, you will always trade currencies in a pair. Most new traders will start out by trading the most commonly offered pairs of major currencies. But you can trade any currency pair that we have available as long as you have enough money in your account. For this walkthrough, we'll look at Euro to US dollar. 2. Analyze the market. Research and analysis should be the foundation of your trading endeavors. Without these, you're operating on emotion. This doesn't typically end well. When you first start researching, you'll find a whole wealth of Forex resources, which may seem overwhelming at first. But as you research a particular currency pair, you'll find valuable resources that stand out from the rest. You should regularly look at current and historical charts, monitor the news for economic announcements, check indicators and perform other technical and fundamental analysis. We'll talk more about specific types of research later on. 3. Decide what currency you want to buy and sell. Make predictions about the economy. If you believe that the U.S. economy will continue to be strong, which is good for the US dollar, then you probably want to buy dollars in exchange for a currency from a country where the economy is weakened. Look at a country's trading position. If a country has many goods that are in demand, then the country will likely export many goods to make money. This trading advantage will boost the country's economy, thus boosting the value of its currency. Consider politics. If a country is having an election, then the country's currency will appreciate if the winner of the election has a fiscally responsible agenda. Also, if the government of a country loosens regulations for economic growth, the currency is likely to increase in value. Read economic reports. Reports on a country's GDP, for instance, or reports about other economic factors like employment and inflation, will have an effect on the value of the country's currency. 4. Learn how to calculate profits. A pip measures the change in value between two currencies. Usually, 1 pip equals 0.0001 of a change in value. For example, if your euro to US dollar trade moves from 1.546 to 1.547, your currency value has increased by 10 pips. Multiply the number of pips that your account has changed by the exchange rate. This calculation will tell you how much your account has increased or decreased in value. In the next lesson, we are going to know more about when you can trade Forex. When can you trade Forex? You can trade Forex 24 hours a day, 5 days a week. The foreign exchange markets are worldwide and therefore follow a 24-hour global timetable. The trading week for Forex begins on Monday morning in Sydney, Australia and follows the sun westward, as the world's major capital markets open and close from Tokyo to London, and finally closing on Friday evening in New York. The Forex market's hours of operation. First, here's a brief overview of the 4 markets, hours in Eastern Standard Time, or EST and Greenwich Mean Time. New York, open 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. EST and 1 p.m. to 10 p.m. GMT. New York is the second largest Forex platform in the world, watched heavily by foreign investors because the US dollar is involved in 90% of all trades, according to Day Trading the Currency Markets, 2005, by Kathy Lean. Movements in the New York Stock Exchange, NYSE, can have an immediate and powerful effect on the dollar. When companies merge, and acquisitions are finalized, the dollar can gain or lose value instantly. Tokyo, open 7 p.m. to 4 a.m. EST and 12 a.m. to 9 a.m. GMT. Tokyo, the first Asian trading center to open, takes in the largest bulk of Asian trading, just ahead of Hong Kong and Singapore. The currency pairs that typically have a fair amount of action are US dollar to Japanese yen, pound sterling to Swiss franc, and pound sterling to Japanese yen. The US dollar to Japanese yen is an especially good pair to watch when the Tokyo market is the only one open, because of the heavy influence the Bank of Japan has over the market. Sydney, open 5 p.m. to 2 a.m. EST and 10 p.m. to 7 a.m. GMT. Sydney is where the trading day officially begins. While it is the smallest of the mega markets, it sees a lot of initial action when the markets reopen on Sunday afternoon, because individual traders and financial institutions are trying to regroup after the long pause since Friday afternoon. London, open 3 a.m. EST to noon or 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. GMT. The UK dominates the currency markets worldwide, and London is its main component. London, a central trading capital of the world, accounts for roughly 34% of global trading, according to a report by IFS London. The city also has a big impact on currency fluctuations because the Bank of England, which sets interest rates and controls the monetary policy of the GBP, has its headquarters in London. Forex trends often originate in London as well, which is a great thing for technical traders to keep in mind. Thanks for watching. All our social media links will be available under the video. You can also visit our website for more. Please, your comments are very important to us, and don't forget to subscribe for more videos about trading.